To get started, go to the official website. Just open up your web browser and type sweethome3d.com or use the link in the description. Here, go to Resources and 3D Models. Then scroll down, and here you can find the official Sweet Home 3D furniture libraries. Let's download the first one. Just click on this link, and here the download will start automatically. Once it's done, just go to where it's downloaded and extract it. Then start Sweet Home 3D and go to Furniture, Import Furniture Library. Here, browse for the file and click on Open.